Hey guys, what is up? As you saw from the title, today we're doing a simple how to start your online business with Shopify video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and like the video. It would be greatly appreciated. If you guys enjoy, make sure to share it. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so first step of really starting our store is obviously going to be finding a good product, something that's going to work. So I like to either go through one of the categories here, and then I like to have the shipping always from where I am. I'm from the US, so I have it as that. I either put it as 4-day or fast shipping. I don't really care if it's free or not. I'll just upcharge the product. If it's something where it really shouldn't be expensive, then I'll put free shipping. I'll try and find something. But if not, then it doesn't really matter to me. Currently, as you see on the screen, we're looking at Modellist. I really like Modellist. It's probably one of my favorite things to look on. It's free, so you don't really have to buy much unless you're doing like a massive store, like a big old general store. Then you'll want something else, because this is a maximum of 25 products at a time. You might want something else. But it's really good for what I do, and I personally love it. You guys should go check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description, and you can check out what I put on my store with Modellist down in the description as well. We always like to have it from US. We already have that there. So you can see just a few things here. You have 7 to 9 days, up to 6 days, up to 4 days, things like that. We kind of want our shipping to be a little bit quicker, so we'll put fast shipping. Okay, just for an example, we'll put free shipping as well. They have actual brands as well. Just we'll go up here, suppliers, right? So if you want something very specific for an actual brand, you can look up trendy items. You can look up AliExpress, Alibaba, which I do not recommend whatsoever. Their items are horrible. If you really want to be a trustworthy and fast and great store, don't use any of those, because it's all Chinese crap. So you can look up trendy items, CBD stuff, name brands, only suppliers I'm selling, and only premium suppliers. So you can look up that. And then over here, you can search by name. So like, for instance, we can look up Gucci. Boom, there's Gucci right there. You can look up Guess. Guess is there. Prada, that's there. Everything is on here. You know, it might be resold. I don't know where it really comes from. I haven't looked into it much because it's not really my shtick. But still, either way, it's there for you to look at, and you can if you'd like. So we'll go on to trendy items. All trendy items, Evelyn Blucci, Fashion Hut jewelry, things like that. So we'll go to, how about Q2? Why not? We'll apply that. No results. Okay, so they don't have free shipping or fast shipping, I'm guessing. Nope, they're not from the US. So instead of looking for them, we'll just look at all trendy items, okay? So any trendy item that is from the US right now. So you have natural stones, a lot of stone kind of hippie stuff, which isn't my forte, but you could work with something here. So we'll take something random like we'll take one of these. Okay, pendant necklace, you know, $24 retail, $12 item cost. It's about $16, $17 with shipping and tax and all that. So yeah, we can make a decent profit for all of this. Same with these little wristband things here. Now my favorite thing with Modellist, right, is that you can go over here and you can look at your products before you put them on Shopify. So it's not like AliExpress where it just goes and then you have to edit it. You can edit before it goes on Shopify exactly what you want. So here it adds the types that they already are, which is great. It has tags for your stuff, and then it has the vendor, Raya Fashion is what they're called. So that's great. They're from US. Their shipping isn't free, but it looks like they had good shipping from what I was looking at. So up here, you can rename your item if you want, if you're doing something specific, or if it's just a random brand, then you can do that. I'm not going to really touch with that. It doesn't matter to me. We'll go over to pricing. You can change the prices. The compare at price is obviously like your baseline price. I always try and uptick that a little bit more, like to just copy paste all that in there. There's a lot of different variants of that, so we'll have to do that a few times. And then 24. If we want to do a sale, we'll put that there. We'll put the price at a sale price, so a little bit lower than what you would normally get or something like that. That's an $18 profit. Easy money. What I love about Modellist is that they take the prices, the item cost, and the shipping, and they just squish it together, and they'll give you a good retail price already. So if you want to uptick your product's price, then you can, but if you don't want to, then you don't have to. I'm just doing that as an example. This isn't really that great of a thing. You also have the media tab here. You can select which ones you want to be shown and which ones you don't. So just like to fit a, like if you want a very clean, modern store with no real like colors, stuff like that for the pictures, and you just want the item there, then you could like press remove that. We're just going to leave it there just because we might put it as the main picture or something like that. There's multiple different variants. You can change the names and colors, sizes, all that. For this one, there's only one size, and they already named it perfectly, so we're good on that. Description, you can change that. You can write more. It's a description. It's pretty simple. All right, so we'll press add to Shopify, and then this, we'll just press add to Shopify as well, because it's just the same thing, so it doesn't really matter. I'll see you in 2 seconds once I'm on the store. Alrighty guys, we're on the store here. You have the animal print with beaded stone and the sequin glitter bar pendant necklace right here. So on here, obviously this is Shopify. We have my store here called Centigo. I'll link it in the description like I said before. Here you can just go ahead and click on it and double check anything that you think you'll have to. For me, I don't really think there's much else to check with this thing. You can add a few things. You can add to a section, add more tags, change small little things, change the quantity if you want to. One thing I do like about Shopify, I have to say, is that they show you the SEO stuff, what it'll show as on Google if it's searched up. So that's great. So that's just the product page that I'm showing you, right? So that's pretty simple. Now we'll go to the website. All right, so we're on the website now. You have the image banner here, all this stuff. I'll give you a quick rundown on how to change it up, make it look nice, looking beautiful, just like how I am, obviously. Announcement bar, pretty simple. It just says welcome to our store. Click on the text over here. You can change it to something like what you should do. I'm not going to have to read it out, right? You should be subscribing. You can change the color theme to an accent color, accent 2. If you don't like the color of the accents or the background, you can come down to here to theme settings, press colors, and just change every single color in here. So that's great. We'll change it to our channel colors because why not? There we go. The header here, this is just all the info. This is what I have in my store. I'm not going to really change it much. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how to do all that, I will do that if you comment below if you want it or not. Here you can select a logo. So like select a random free image that I select before the recording. You can change the logo width, obviously. We're going to change it to 80 though, just because it's kind of big already. And then you can change the spacing on the bottom as well. The image banner here, you can change the text here, obviously. So it could just be image or imagine or whatever the hell you want. It really doesn't matter. Obviously, you can change the bottom text as well. You can change the button. You can change what it says. So it could be shop now instead of shop all, and then it'll be all your products, right? Rich text, you can go down here and you can talk a little more about your brand. Obviously, like it says, share information about your brand, describe the product, whatever you want to do here. The featured collection is just featured products that you have here, so that's great. Collage is just, your collection name, example product, and your collection's name, so you can add collections, products, whatever you want to really do. Personally, I don't have a video on my website right now. It's in development, but you have this here. You can always do multi-column. You can use that for writing reviews or writing more info or really whatever you want. And the footer is just obvious information down here that you need to put. You can put a language letter, whatever you need to do. Typography, pretty simple. It's just what the text is, what it looks like, how big it is, what you want. So you can change like this text you can change. It'll be all the different ones. Change it to a Brill Fat Face. Boom, it changes it to a Brill Fat Face once I press save. Oh, I don't have to. But yeah, change it to a Brill Fat Face, so that's great. You can go here, buttons, and all these other different things that you can check out, which I'm not going to go full in-depth on. I'm not going to do a full in-depth video. This is just a basic how to get started. But I will now give you guys an example of what a completed website looks like right now. This is my store here, Centigo Eyewear. I really like this store. Probably best website I've ever done before. Your face is your art. You can have things like that there. You can have your slogan and a little bit of info. You can press a buy now. Right now we have our big sale going on our signature sunglasses, the Engine Sense MMXI. You guys can go check that out. Like again, once again, it's in the description. Go check it out if you do want to prepare awesome sunglasses. And then you have the footer here. Currently, I don't have a video, but it will be on there soon. So if you want to see that, you can. We have a sale going on a few items. So these these cat blocks with B&C Boutique, and then the engines. You guys can go check those out. We have some awesome looking sunglasses. You can buy this for your mom, your sister, your girlfriend, whatever. A lot of female sunglasses. I'm not saying dudes can't wear them, but mainly targeting women. You have all your stuff here. If you click the logo, brings you back to the home page. All these buy now buttons. So like if you press buy now here, it'll bring you to the engines, because that's our big thing right now. We have a bunch of different things that you can look up here, and then a bunch of different photos and a bunch of information, shop pay, all that stuff. You have your description here. Let me get to the bottom so you can actually look at it. So you have your description of everything here. So that's great. And these are our best-selling sunglasses. You can add to cart, buy with Google Pay, and you can even get more payment options if you want that as well. But you have to log up. You'll sign up. This isn't a free website. You can build it if you are good at coding and website building and all that stuff, but it's not free. You have your cart up here. You have create an account. You can search on the store, your product, all our products, contact us, search bar, privacy policy, refund policy, and the terms of service. You'll want all that there. Just make your store look more legit and get a lot of customers that way, and just look like an actual brand, because that's what you want to be. You don't want to be a scammy company. That's not what I'm about. I don't like companies that are like that, or businesses that are like that. That doesn't seem legit. You also have a chat with us button down here as well. So you have everything pretty much. Got everything. It's awesome. Yeah, honestly, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, you subscribe for more videos like this. One last thing, everything I'm talking about today, it's down in the link below. You can go look it up. And if you want to learn more, if you want more tutorials or anything like that, or you have any questions, comment down below. I'll either comment with your post, or I'll make a video about it. So yeah, thank you for viewing, and I'll see you guys later. Trust you, I'm gonna show you. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning bed.